Okay, how to play a basic jazz groove. We're going to do this for any type of jazz that you want to play, as a beginner, of course. We've got three elements: the ride, the kick, and the snare. So let's begin. Ride, okay? It's single, rest, double, rest, single, rest, double, rest. So let's count. 1, 2, play along with me. 3, 4, let's go. Single, rest, double, rest, single, rest, double, rest, rest, rest. Again. Okay, pause the video, go back 10, 20 seconds and do that with me until it's easy. Right hand only, just here on the right. Step 2, snare. Easy. You play rest, hit, rest, hit, rest. Don't ever do this part. That's just for me to keep you in the background. Just focus on this and on this, okay? So rest, hit, rest, hit. If you're counting 4, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to do this with your left hand, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, hit, rest. Play with me. Come on, let's go. Rest, hit, rest, hit. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, no counting. Come on. 2 more. Pause the video. Go back. Do this a few times till it's fluent. Okay? Now, before we go kick, let's just put these two guys together. These two guys. Okay? The ride and the snare. You're going to go ride, snare, double ride, snare. Ride, snare, double ride, snare. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're alternating hands. I'm holding a phone, so I'm only using one hand. But right, left, right, right, left. Okay? Let's go slow with me. Ready? 3, 4. We're going right, left, right, right, left. Again. Right, left, right, right, left. A few more times. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, right, left. Stop the video now. Go back. Do that a few times with me until you can do it at this speed. Okay, should be easy. And I should be able to count you in. 1, 2, 3, go. And you can start with no breaks. Start and no stops. Pause, rewind this video until you can do that fluently. Finally, we've got our kick. Okay? What we're going to do is we're going to coordinate. Kick and ride together. So it means your right foot and your right hand together. Okay, so do that together, arms together. Snare only. Let's just do that. Kick right hand, snare. Kick right hand, left. 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 Again, I'm doing it with my right hand. So you got to do it 2 hands, okay? Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Kick right, left. Kick right, left. Kick right, left. Kick right, left. Now that you can do that, the final step is to go kick right, left, double kick, or single, then the kick comes in. Be careful. It's not here, here, same. There's no double kick. It's the single. 1, right. Again. 1, and then the right foot comes in. So all in all looks like this. Together right, left only. Solo right, together right, left only. Right foot, right hand, left. Right hand only, right hand, right foot together, left. Together, left. Solo 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 together, left. That's going to take some practice, okay? Please rewind, go back, do this a few times. Eventually you want it to sound like this. Yeah, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And this was your basic drum jazz tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in my next video.